Hi guys! So ngayon, gagala tayo. So, where are we going?
I do not know today.
We're going to ride a boat, going to... We will try if we can go to Statue of Liberty kasi late na. Late. Hi everyone. Hi. Say hello world. Hello kalibutan. Hello sanlibutan.
Hi. Hi.
Hi. So guys, it's gonna be I think an hour ride. So yan. Oh, Ayan. Say hi, Ayan. Ayan. Say hi. Nag-ano lang kami ng gas.
Yes, please.
Late na late kami. Masyadong maganda ang kuha kasi sa likod ako nakaupo. I know, I'm started. Guys, andito na kami. Sama naman ng mga ka-berks. Yan. Sasakay kami ng barko. Hi.
Hi guys.
Hi. Oh, service dog. Cute, cute. How did we go up there? Guys, tingnan nyo. Ang lalaki ng boat.
The bridge, you see the bridge? See the big bridge?
Guys, first time ko sa boat. Na malaking boat.
Hi. Anya, turn around.
Who are you talking to? Say hi to my vlog. Say hi si Tita Adjan din.
But on a
You're gonna see a lot of them, guys.
If you guys don't remember me, my name is Haley, and I'm the host of Loud News. If you haven't seen the Facebook page, go ahead now.
Tingnan niyo ang vlog, guys. Free na. Oh my God, umaandar na.
Anya, hold my hand.
Wee! Bye! Tingnan niyo ang saya ng mga bata.
It's a big boat. I never expected it.
Restricted area, guys. Saan ka dyan? I know. Look at that.
Look at the bridge.
Tingnan nyo, guys, ang mga bata.
Hashtag one for free.
Ang sasaya.
Coffee deliver. I know a song about.
Really, I feel like we're moving.
Sunday bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down.
Yeah, here is good. Hi, Ayan. Are you having fun? Say hi, babies. Say hi. Ayan.
But I'm from Laos.
Yeah. Oh, the sailboat. Yeah.
A blue one and it's going really fast.
We're approaching New York now.
First thing when you come on the boat.
Guys, ayan na. Statue of Liberty.
So cool.
I hope they like it the best.
You know, Dad's holding a book and it's holding.
Statue of Liberty, guys.
Yeah.
It's actually
mouth, I know.
So happy! Oh! Oh! Yan na guys, malapit na tayo. What is that?
Different part.
Hi, everybody. Hi.
Ayan na guys. Malapit na. New York na talaga to.
Yeah, there's Brooklyn Bridge right there.
There's a Brooklyn Bridge there. Dumbo.
Just take off your shoes. Just take your shoes off since it's not gonna be walking anyway.
So amazing.
Ready to jump?
Okay kids, say hi.
Okay, I'm jumping. 3, 2.
You do it in the back.
Guys, tingnan nyo. New York na talaga. Go with your friends. Go with your friends. Yan guys. Yeah.
Yeah, or just like this, like put your foot upside down. Okay, sweeping the job. It's parking.
Hi. Yeah. Oh, guys, tingnan nyo.
This is not art. This is just a side.
Yes, right here.
It's not art.
Right here.
People may say everything is art, but not everything is art. Like a trash can. A trash can is not art. But this could maybe be art.
See? Okay, guys.
Right, man.
That's New York. Guys, Haley has a vlog. Oh, please look.
Technically, not a vlog.
Not a vlog.
Well, so-and-so, but it's basically a newscast where me, Haley, my brother and sister make their own little like news type vlog at home. But instead of my parents, it's said from a parent's perspective, from a kid's perspective. And so, stay tuned. I might have a YouTube channel coming out, so
Yeah.
I'll think about that.
Look, ang mga mag-friends.
Smithsonian, right? Oh my God, these are like signs.
You guys, ahas. Oh no! Nakatakot.
Come on, you. Do not be afraid.
Can't help. Oh my God. Yan guys, mga tiyagi-tiyagi. Look at friends! Ang ganda naman. That's Layla, Anya, and JC. I know JC, but I forget sometimes I say CJ. Alright guys, andito na tayo sa yung 9/11 building na yan. Pupunta kami sa Oculus. Yan. Ang bait. World Trade Center na ito guys. Got it. Anya, leave him. Nah. Layla. Hi, kids.
Playing with the bag.
Kids having fun. Guys, uwi na kami.
Mine is there too.
Guys, we're leaving New York na.
I saw the iPhone. I saw the
Look at the content, kids. Hi, kids. Hi, Ate Layla. Hi, Anya. Hi, Daisy. Where's Ate Haley?